Milford is serving up something real special here at the Food Bank of Delaware. That's where we are. CoastLife, you can come here and get a 3-course delicious meal and help a culinary student get real restaurant experience for just $12. So of course, to talk about it, I'm here with Executive Chef Tim Hunter. How are you doing today?
How you doing? Good.
Good. Tell me what inspired the Food Bank to create a restaurant week?
Actually, it was inspired by Chef Tish. She's my chef instructor here in Milford. And we have been talking about making a real world experience for the students. So this class, she said, Chef, I think I want to do this week. And I'm like, yeah, let's try it. So, I'm always good for having new things happen and it's for the students, for their experience, right? So she wanted to do that this week, and this was the week for it. So it's been great so far.
Yeah, so this is for the students, but how does it really help the students prepare and get that hands-on experience?
Well, we talk about sense of urgency, right?
Yeah.
Like we can talk about it in class, like you don't have all day or an hour to cut things, or you don't have, people coming for lunch. Lunch is busy, so people have maybe average of 45 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. So they got to come in and get done. So this makes it real.
Yes.
So now we got tickets going, we got people waiting, so we got to get food out as quick as we can. So this is as real as it gets right here.
Oh, for sure. And I was just in their CoastLife. We had to do the interview out here because it was just so hectic in there. But it's just showing it how it's like working in a real restaurant. Like you said, you're getting that hands-on experience and you're learning time management and efficiency as well in addition to that. Yes. So what can the guests expect on the other hand of that? What can they expect with the 3-course experience?
We talk about service. That's our number one thing. So how you're going to greet a person, and then the speed, and then they're going to get great food, right? So it's kind of a win-win for not our students, but also the guests that's coming in to get it.
Yeah. And then how does this event help spread the broader message of the Food Bank of Delaware?
So, first message even about the school. Some people aren't aware that we even have a culinary school.
That is true.
But then also, what do we do? And how do we help our students get prepared to be out and go out into the field? Mm-hmm. So things like this will hopefully get the word out even more about us.
For sure, because I was talking to somebody earlier and they worded it perfectly. They said you not only help give meals for today, but also for tomorrow. Because listen, you're here and they can easily just say, hey, here's a meal for you. But they're also giving you this experience so that it's easier for you to have a long-term sustainability and impact in having a meal every day on a day-to-day. Because by working in this restaurant, you're prepped to get a job after this and provide for your family moving forward. Yes. That is an amazing thing that they're doing here. I want you guys to understand that, CoastLife. So for those who can't make Restaurant Week, I hope you guys do it again because this is the very first one. But for those who can't make it, how can they still help out with the Food Bank of Delaware?
They can always help out. They can always come volunteer. We have our cafe is open every day from Monday through Friday, and then we're open from Monday through Thursday for lunch from 11 to 2, and then we have Friday for breakfast. So you can always come in and enjoy a great meal for there.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much for coming on, Tim. I appreciate it. But CoastLife, we're not done just yet. We're going to speak to somebody who's directly affected with this, one of the students here, in just a minute. Well, CoastLife, we were just talking to Tim about why make this restaurant week, and obviously he said it's for the students. So we have to talk to a student. We have Gwen Ratliff here today. How are you?
Hey, good. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. So what inspired you to join this program and this culinary team?
I've always loved cooking. I've got a passion for it. I do my family's parties and stuff like that, big trays of food.
Nice.
I really just wanted to get extra technique in the kitchen, and my brother has a food truck, so.
Nice. So then this is always something you've been passionate about. How has the Food Bank helped shape this, and what have you learned from being here?
I've actually learned a lot, experience in the kitchen with fine dining, and especially Restaurant Week today, different positions, serving, the kitchen, the grill, making stuff from scratch, all that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And tell us a little bit about the course that they offer here. I know it's a 12-week program. Can you dive into what that looks like?
It's a 12-week program. It's very hands-on and it goes very fast.
Yes.
A lot of tests, but it's really like they really put you in here.
Yeah. What advice would you give somebody who's interested in joining the program or just loves to cook?
I would definitely do it.
Yeah.
It's fun. I like it every day. I definitely recommend it. Yeah.
Yes, it truly does sound like an amazing opportunity to get real world restaurant experience right here in Milford, Delaware.
Yes.
Gwen, thank you so much for coming on and sharing.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Of course, CoastLife, the Food Bank of Delaware, is offering food that not only serves the soul, but the community as well. But also serving up some soul is CoastLife. There's more of that on the way.